Hey, hi friends. In this video I have shown the how to design the flowers designs on the wall, because this is the simple and the easy way to design the flowers on the wall. First step is to decide the which design you want to select on the wall. Select the paper of the design and select the color which you want to paint on the wall, and take the paint roller and just attach that paper to the wall and rub the roller on the wall with smoothly on the design of that paper. Just be careful that the paint should not get exterior of that paper. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this